If you're a self-care enthusiast, then you need to hear this. It's time to make you a priority. Loving yourself isn't just for the days when everything goes right. It's a daily practice that starts with the little things. Step 1. Speak kindly to yourself. Imagine if your best friend talked to you the way you talk to yourself. Yeah, you'd probably hug them more. Step 2. Treat yourself. No, not just with chocolate, but with moments of peace. Whether it's a bubble bath, a walk in nature, or just saying no to overcommitting, you deserve it. Step 3. Celebrate your wins, big or small. Did you finally tackle that laundry pile? High five, you're a rock star. Remember, self-love is a journey, not a destination. So be gentle with yourself, laugh off the little mishaps, and keep shining bright. You've got this. All right, friends, go out there and love yourselves like the amazing people you are. Until next time, keep glowing.